You already know I've been working to perfect my white theme setup for a while, and these two new additions from Keychron has brought it to the next level. This is the Keychron Q1 version 2, with a solid aluminum build and a programmable knob. It's optimized for both Mac and Windows, plus also natively supports QMK and VIA firmware that allows for highly customizable keyboard layouts and functions. But most importantly, it provides a premium smooth typing experience. Paired with the Keychron M7 wireless ergonomic mouse, which is super lightweight at 63 grams, features a Precise Plus optical sensor, and offers up to 140 hours of battery life on a single charge, this makes for the perfect ergonomic combo. And as always, you know where to find it.